Hi, welcome to the Success Prints Crash Course YouTube channel. Today I'm going to start with showing you how to set up the game board. So you've just gotten your game sent in the mail. You have your instructions, and then there's a whole bunch of blocks that we'll get to in a moment, cards and the like. And here's the game board. Unfold it and place it in the middle of the table. You'll notice that in the center it says Campus Deck, and so you'll want to find the cards that have the campus resources on the back. These are they say campus, and they include the kinds of cards that you put on the edge of the campus to make sort of the quadrangle, if you will. Accessibility services, international programs, campus radio, and career center. That's a great start to our campus. And then place the deck in the middle. You'll notice that in the parking lot over here, that's where our week's cards go. And that's your schedule. And for the 9 rounds that we play the game, your schedule will depend on what card is facing. After every week, you'll want to switch that to the back of the bottom of the deck. Then we have some cards called Life Happens cards. You can either choose, if you're short on time and you want the game master to manage all aspects of the game, you can place the Life Happens cards in front of the game master, or I like to invite players, the different teams, to take on different roles within the game. And so I often ask one of the players to serve as the Life Happens person, and they hand out Life Happens cards as they're called for in the schedule. Similarly, another kind of card we have are the assignment cards. Again, if you're short on time and you want the game master to manage all aspects of the game, you place the assignments in front of the game master, or you could ask someone to be the study monitor and the assignment person. And another grouping of cards that we have are the friends cards. Right here on top is Brett. He's a friend that we might make at one of the social events. And that's the final deck of cards that are not part of the currencies. So we have a variety of different types of events. I often ask someone to be sort of the social butterfly team, and they manage the events and the friends. Finally, we have the different types of currencies. And the currencies are study, the time that you spent in class, results in study. We also have cash. You start every semester, every game, with some amount of cash. We have GPA. You earn GPA by going to class and then redeeming your study for GPA. We have social. The social cards are for when you maybe take advantage of some time in hobby or make friends. Those redeem for social points. We have stress. And stress is by spending all of your time in the game, and we'll get to that in another video. And the final one, as I mentioned, is study. The currencies come in denominations of 1s and 5s, and you might find that the banker finds it easier to break them up and have these stacks of cards in front of their space. So in general, that's how you set up the game board. And the final thing is we have these 4 different colors of blocks, and you break them up, and each player team becomes a color, and these blocks are the way they make choices on how to spend their time. So there are 12 blocks available during any given week.